So after riding 12,000 kilometers almost, I think I qualify to comment a little bit about the good and bad of this bike. So here is my honest feedback. I mean, most of it is recorded during my ride in Himalayas, where I was going in like 18-20 kilometer per hour, so much time. So yeah, here you go. So the things I like about this Himalayan, that's this display with the map. That's like so useful. You don't have to have phone and GPS and all that random shit. You have this, and that's enough. And you load the map once, it's always there, even if the internet is there or no, as long as you have network for GPS. Then the suspension is brilliant. It's really good. The front and rear. Front ABS is good, rear ABS not so much. The handling in the highway, in the traffic, it's all very nice, quite easy. Nothing is a struggle. Things I don't like the headlights. It's useless. It's good that they're giving an auxiliary port for connecting whatever you want to connect. They should probably get better mirrors. The seat is quite bad for touring. I don't like the second gear. It's quite less powerful compared to first. Not that different from third, I feel. The vibration, I don't know, they should do something about making it a bit more confident at higher speeds. The foot pegs are really small. Probably that they should fix. Because of the riding shoes, I have to keep my foot on the brake, and then the brake pad gets worn off very easy. So if I had a little bit extra space on the foot peg, that would have helped. The area here, it looks pretty bad. Cable and a pin, and this very stupid looking neck. So I have one charging port here, and right now I have the drone battery in my pocket and I'm charging it. Okay. And I have to use the same to charge my phone because the Royal Enfield app takes up a lot of battery. Then I have to charge this camera and that camera with the same port. So charging management is some task. And the drone battery takes a lot of time to charge. So I asked Royal Enfield, can you please fix me one more port? They said they don't have that as a spare part available. Or I think what they should do is they should put a charging point maybe under the seat or something like that. Very close to the battery, and it's easy for them to do. And then that will help us put something in luggage and charge, especially like the drone battery. Imagine I could have just put it in the bag and then connected. I'll always have full battery for drone. The engine isn't 100% there for me, but I'm no expert, so I'll leave it at that. Overall though, I love the bike. So that's all. Thanks for watching.